good morning or good afternoon, depending on the time of day that you are listening to this. Miss Shahada and myself all miss you so much. I hope that you're all doing really well. Now, today we are going to study a new continent. But before we jump in, I have a question for you all. Do you remember the continent that we were studying recently? Think long and hard. I'll give you a second to think about it. If you said Asia, then you are absolutely right. We spent a whole lot of time working on Asia. Now, before we jump in, do you remember the continent song? If you do, let's all sing it together, okay? North America, South America, Africa, Europe, and Asia. Don't forget Oceania. Don't forget Antarctica. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, and Asia. All right, this was really fun. Now, the continent that we are actually going to learn about today is called Antarctica. Can you say Antarctica? I know it's a really tough word to say. Now, here's some 2 fun facts about Antarctica. This continent is actually covered and made up of mostly ice. Can you believe it? And there's an ocean that surrounds the continent of Antarctica that is called the Southern Ocean. Can you say Southern Ocean? Very good.
Antarctica is a windy desert. That means it's very, very cold. It almost never rains and it's so windy. The wind is so strong that it can blow you right off of your chair. Not very many people live in Antarctica. In fact, nobody lives in Antarctica. But some people do go there for research. Do you know what research is? Well, research is a collection of information about a particular topic. So, for example, the researchers in Antarctica gather information about weather, animals, and so much more.
Now, here are some fun facts about Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth, so there are not many animals that live there. Can you guess the few that do live on land and the nearby ocean? I'll give you some time to think. If you guessed penguins, whales, and seals, then you are absolutely right. The only penguins that actually live on Antarctica are called the emperor penguins. The penguins have to swim far out into the Southern Ocean to bring food back to their babies when they are born. Do you know what kind of food the penguins eat? I'll give you some time to think about it. The penguins eat an animal that is called krill, which also happens to be the kind of food that whales eat. Now, some of the animals that live in the surrounding ocean are whales and seals. The most common whale in Antarctica is called the blue whale. She is the biggest animal on the planet. Blue whales are even bigger than large planes. Can you imagine that? The other most commonly found animals are seals. The type of seals found in Antarctica are called crab-eater seals. They are also referred to as krill-eater seals. Can you guess what food they eat? Let's think. If those seals are also called krill-eater seals, what food do you think they eat? If you guess krill, then you are absolutely right. Well done!
Okay, friends, now before we finish, here's one more fun fact about Antarctica. This continent has a lot of volcanoes. Do you know what volcanoes are? Well, volcanoes usually look like mountains, and what is interesting about volcanoes, though, is that they shoot up and out a very hot liquid known as lava, which is melted rock, and it is very, very hot.
Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Now, before we see each other again, I want you to find out what krill is. Krill. Okay? All right, until next time, be safe and have a good one. Bye.